Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my WP One-Click Social or One-Click Social Review. I'm here inside the sales page, and today I'm going to give you a full demo and a run through on what this is and how it works. I'm also going to share with you the full details, the pricing, the upsells, and whether you should pick them up or not. And I got you covered with the best bonus package that you can get your hands on if you decided that you want to pick up One-Click Social via my link, which is going to be the first link down below in the description. Now, in a nutshell, One-Click Social or WP One-Click Social is a WordPress plugin that will allow you to fix an error that Facebook has made to over 20 million WordPress sites. Now, what this error is, it's basically most of these sites have like Facebook embeds, like Facebook post embeds and Instagram post embeds, and all these embeds are going to be broken. They're going to look like a bit unstable. So what One-Click Social will do is basically fix those embeds for you. If you don't have any technical skills, if you have never basically, if you don't know HTML, if you don't know how to go to the developer side of Facebook to fix this issue, One-Click Social will do it for you. As simple as that. It's a really cool product. It's a plugin. All you have to do is install it on your WordPress and it will fix the problem for you. Now, why is this a big problem? Because once you embed content on your WordPress, it will get you traffic from Facebook and Instagram and vice versa. So when people come to your WordPress blog, they will go to your Facebook page or Instagram page and vice versa. People will come from your Facebook page to your Instagram. So when you embed posts, you get traffic going into both your blogs and your social media accounts. And this plugin will help you fix this error. As you can see, Facebook has made an update, and this update requires you that you have to add a token and some technical stuff. It's really tricky. So this plugin will solve everything for you. I'm gonna go in details in just a second, but if you'd like to pick it up anytime during watching this review video, all you have to do is get yourself to my bonus page via clicking on the first link down below in the description. Once you do that, you want to scroll down and click on one of these yellow buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of One-Click Social. Now, you have to do that as soon as this goes live, which is on the 30th of October at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then these buttons will be clickable and you'll be able to go to the sales page and pick up your copy. Now, you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on. These bonuses took me a lot of time to compile, and they are going to be exclusive to me, and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you'd like access to One-Click Social plus all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly, you have to pick it up through my link. My first bonus is going to be access to Equinox Pro. This is going to be for the first 12 hours only. Now, Equinox is a really amazing software launched by John O. Armstrong and Brendan Mays. It was launched like last year, 2019. And then what it will allow you to do is will go and find video content, viral video content that you can post on your pages, and it will bring traffic to your Facebook page. Now you can add a link to your Facebook post or your Facebook video, and people will click on it and you will redirect all that traffic wherever you want. This is a really powerful software, and I'm giving you the pro version of this software, so you get access to the Equinox Pro. My second bonus is going to be access to the WordPress Rocket Pro plugin. Now, the WordPress Rocket Pro is basically a plugin that will speed up your website. It will tell you what you need to change, what you need to edit inside of your website in order for it to be really fast. Now, why do you need your website to be really fast? Because once you have people coming into your website load time will determine on whether you can rank on Google or not. So the faster your website, the higher your ranking. And I'm gonna give you access to this amazing plugin. This is like selling for, I don't know, maybe $97 or $197. You're gonna get it for free if you pick up the front end version of One Click Social via my link. Now my third bonus is gonna be a hack on how to rank your website on the #1 spot of Google. Now this is not for each and every keyword out there, but you can rank for low competition keyword and mid competition keyword. High competition, you have to like explode your SEO, but you don't need to rank for these keywords. You basically need to rank for low competition in a few of the mid competition keywords, and you'll be good to go. You'll start generating income hand over fist. Bonus number 4, I'm gonna give you access to all the vendors bonuses. Now these bonuses are Social Jacker Reseller, WP Video Ace plugin, WP Social Traffic Reseller License, WP Tweet Machine 2 Reseller Rights or Reseller License, Trend Presser plugin white label. We have WordPress bot blocker. We have WordPress or WP Photo Finder white label, and we have a bunch of other bonuses. Feel free to pause the video and check each and every bonus right here. I'm not gonna go through and read them all. Pause the video, read the bonuses. As you can see, you're gonna get all these bonuses from the vendor as well. Now if you pick it up through me, you're gonna get my custom bonuses as well. All this for the price of $24, and you're gonna fix this major problem that Facebook has done in literally 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna leave you guys with the demo video, then we'll come back and talk about the pricing, the upsells, check around the sales page, and more details. See you guys in a bit. Peace out.
Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and today I want to tell you about a massive problem that's about to happen to over 20 million WordPress sites, and even your site could be affected by that problem. So on October 24th, Facebook is withdrawing its support from embedding social content from Facebook and Instagram for all WordPress sites. Now what that means is that if you embed any kind of social content, be a Facebook post or a Facebook video or an Instagram video or Instagram images or feeds on your site, all that will disappear from your sites. What that means is that when you have social content, your site looks something like this with all the social content embedded in it, be it Instagram images or posts from Facebook. They will actually start looking from this to something like this. It'll just be text and no images, no videos will actually show up on your sites. Now this is a massive problem which will actually affect over 20 million websites. Now the problem is that Facebook wants you to actually create a Facebook app for every single site you have, and then basically obtain an authorization key called an access token, and then you need to add that information to your WordPress site in order to get this working again. Now if you are technically savvy and you're smart, you can do this in about 10 to 15 minutes. If you are not and you don't know how this process works, it can take you anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to get all of this done. Now this is not practical for everyone, and that's why in order to make this very simple for you, me and my friends have created a WordPress plugin called WP One Click Social. Now with the One Click Social plugin, all you have to do is basically install the One Click Social plugin over here and activate it from your WordPress site. After that, you will see the One Click Social plugin over here, and you can go into the settings page over here and connect to Facebook in this one-click way. Just connect to Facebook, just click on continue, and just approve the app to actually do your work, and that's it. In just one click, your Facebook account is now linked to your site, and all the automatic authorization has been done to enable the content on your site. So if Facebook breaks your site on October 24th, which it will in most cases, your site will basically go from looking like this before to basically looking like this after. And then once you enable this plugin and add my plugin to your site, it will go from looking like this back to something like this. Okay, all the social content will come back to your site, all your social traffic will start coming back to your site, and all those problems will be solved. Now there is a manual way of doing this, and the plugin also supports the manual way of adding your app ID and app key. So if you prefer doing it manually using the Facebook recommended method, you can do it using option 2, but we made it an automatic process for you to do this to solve this problem for all these websites. So tell me what you think about this. Leave a comment below and tell me if you like this plugin and if you think this will solve a massive problem, because many top WordPress sites, top bloggers are writing about this problem, and they want you to know that this is going to break your site. And that's why we decided to be ahead of the curve and basically solve this problem for every one of our customers, and that means you. So leave a comment below and win a free copy of this plugin. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So now let's check out the sales page and see the claims made by the vendor. I can't pronounce made for some reason. English is not my first language, but I have a problem with the word made. Anyways, so let's see the claims made by the vendor here. Breaking news, Facebook just broke over 20 million WordPress sites. Here is how you can fix your site in just 10 seconds. This massive problem affecting millions of WordPress sites, and your site could be losing content and traffic without you knowing. You can watch the video right here where Anchor Chukla, the creator of this product, is going to explain to you what the problem is, and he's going to show you the solution, which is of course his plugin right here. He has some information about him. He made as you can see, he made this plugin in order for you to fix your website. Basically, he shows a lot of information about this incident that Facebook has made, and then he offers you the solution, which is his plugin that will allow you to fix it in just 10 seconds. All you have to do is log into your WordPress site, install the one-click social plugin, and then log into Facebook via your site, and it's done. It's really easy. It will do all the work for you. All you have to do is follow what he says. Now I showed you the demo, you've seen how easy it is. So basically we have some more details about the product here. I'm not going to go through the full sales page. You can check it out at your own time. Now let's jump right into here. Now for the front end price, you're gonna have to pay $24 in order for you to access this amazing plugin or software. With that, you get access to all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge instantly once you pick it up. Now let me show you how to claim your bonuses. All you have to do is go to your JVZoo account, and once you are inside your JVZoo account, let me just wait for it to load up. So once you are inside your JVZoo account, you want to go here where it says looking for your purchases on the top right hand corner. Just click on it, and then you want to go and find your receipt for One Click Social. Once you do that, let me just show you what it looks like. Once you find your receipt and you click on it, it's gonna look something like this. So it's gonna take you to your receipt, and then you want to scroll down and click on this blue button. You'll be able to access all your bonuses as you pick up the front end. Upsell number 1 is going to be the Pro version for $34. You get more features like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, Pinterest feeds into your websites, plus unlimited site upgrade. Upsell number 2 is going to be the developer license for $47. You can get unlimited clients for your site, so you can sell this plugin or you can install this plugin on your client site, and you can charge them whatever you want. So basically you can charge like $50, $100 to solve this problem to other website owners. Upsell number 3 is going to be the social traffic for $37. Now the one-click social traffic will get you 10 times more traffic on your website. I don't know what this is, I'm not going to recommend it, but basically check out the sales page of the upsell number 3 before making a decision of purchase. Upsell number 4 is going to be the WP social contract plugin for $37. This plugin will be making contract forms. I don't know what this is, but this is what basically the vendor has wrote. So it will allow you to make contract forms obsolete. I don't know what obsolete mean, but basically it will allow you to generate contacts or contracts that you can make with different companies. So basically, I don't know what this is. Please check it out at the sales page. Upsell number 5 is going to be the TrafficForU for $67. Now the TrafficForU upgrade will allow you to send guaranteed traffic to your website. So basically he will send traffic to your website. I don't know what this is. Again, check out the sales page, but he has given so little information. You have to read carefully throughout the sales page of the upsell number 3, 4, and 5 in order for you to understand what you'll be able to get for your money. Upsell number 6 is going to be reseller license for $97. You're going to be able to sell this as your own and get to keep 100% commission throughout the funnel. You can change the name if you want to, you can change the logo, whatever you want, you can sell it, all this for $97. I would highly recommend you to go for the front end. I'm not gonna recommend any of the upsells. You can pick them up or don't. Basically, it's your call. You have to check out whether you want them or not. Basically, that's it. That's what I have for you in this video. If you have any questions, hit me down below in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.